Welcome to IGT and Tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can start learn mobile repairing online on our website igtntechcollege.com. Into your browser, write igttechcollege.com, then search. This is our website. So you can click on English courses or register. So let us click on English courses. Click on it. Then go to mobile repairing or website development. So we're going to mobile repairing. Click on your chosen courses. Then you'll be directed to register, create account. Enter your first name, last name, WhatsApp number with the country code. Enter valid email or Google account, password and your country. Enter valid email because we need verification after. So generate strong password. Create password again here. First, this is country, example of your country, then password. Next, choose plan courses. Let's say mobile repairing or website development. So I'm going to choose mobile repairing, then create account. Click on create account. Yes, create on. Right, creating account. Account created, please verify your email. So we're gonna verifying our email. That's why I told you that you must use valid email. So open new tab, search for email login. This is our email, Gmail application. Go to inbox. Here we have verify your email for IGT and Tech College. Click on it. Then click on this blue link. White. Your email has been verified. So go back to our tab there. Then I have verified my email. Click here. After checking, then you will be directed to this button, paper or credit or debit card. So you can use paper to pay or use a debit card or credit card. But if you don't have any of that payment method, don't worry. Contact us, we give you local payment. Then after payment, you will be directed to course, just wait. Enter everything or pay with local. You will pay $10 only monthly. So after payment, here we show that our email is verified. After payment, this is our courses. So as you see here, you can scroll down. You can let me show you how much courses we have right now. Scroll down. Click here again. So if you don't have paper or bank account or credit or debit card, don't worry, just contact us, we help you. Thank you.